Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking attention to the active window so the cursor and keystrokes won't wander. First, set the critical app to full screen or borderless mode. This prevents accidental clicks on the other monitor. Once done, open the host OS keyboard settings and temporarily disable global hotkeys that switch windows. Make sure background utilities that capture Alt or Win are paused. This early focus reduction is essential because it removes the most common triggers that force you to tab out. Next, control how your cursor and focus behave across screens. Install or enable a cursor lock utility or a multi-monitor manager that confines the mouse to one display during critical tasks. Then set mouse edge resistance or delay so the pointer won't slip to the other monitor when you move quickly. Also configure per application focus settings so the target program retains keyboard focus even if the cursor briefly touches the second screen. These steps reduce accidental focus lost dramatically when you're switching. Finally, validate the setup with real tests. Press Alt-Tab, use the Windows or System keys, and swipe the mouse across the bezel while running your workflow. Make a quick profile or hotkey to toggle the lock so you can rapidly enable or disable the restriction. If things still fail, stop and check for conflicting utilities like gaming overlays, remote desktop clients, or custom hotkey apps. Disabling those usually fixes stubborn focus problems. One tip: reboot after changes to ensure system-level hooks are refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.